Hello guys, welcome to Photoprixx. In this video we will learn how to convert any video to a high quality video, with only few steps. So before getting any further ado, let's get started. We will be using Topaz Video Enhance AI for increasing the quality of our videos. To download the software, go to Cybermania on your web browser. Open the site and search for Topaz Video Enhance AI. And click on Download. Install the software after downloading. Open the software and click on Browse. Choose the video file that you want to edit. Set the properties and model parameters as shown in the video. Click on Start Processing to apply the parameters and process every frame of your videos. The free version will put a watermark on your output video. The process is very time-taking. Sometimes it may take hours. So always try to edit short videos. You can check the difference in quality yourself. Like the video and subscribe the channel.